The future of marine sealants and adhesives is here. Introducing Pettit Paint's AnchorTech. Built for the rigors of the marine industry, AnchorTech comes in 3 flexible solutions to keep water out. AnchorTech Advanced Hybrid Sealant. Flexible applications above the waterline, paintable, and ready for service in only 30 minutes. AnchorTech UV-resistant adhesive sealant. Resilient performance above the waterline. Resistant to damaging UV rays and ready for service in only 1 hour. AnchorTech Premium Fast Dry Adhesive Sealant. Safe to use above and below the waterline. AnchorTech Premium Fast Dry can even be applied underwater. No matter the project, there is a Pettit Paint AnchorTech product perfect for the job. AnchorTech easily adheres to fiberglass, metal, wood, glass, aluminum, and most commonly used boat building materials. Pettit Paint's AnchorTech, premium marine grade sealants and adhesives.